Salesforce Automation, simplifying repetitive tasks and boosting efficiency. What is Salesforce Automation? Salesforce Automation is the practice of using technology to automate manual tasks within the Salesforce platform. By leveraging automation tools, businesses can free up their employees to focus on more strategic tasks, while also ensuring that routine processes are completed efficiently and consistently. Benefits of Salesforce Automation. Time savings. By automating repetitive tasks, employees can focus their time and energy on higher value activities that require a human touch. Data accuracy. Automation helps keep customer records up to date and ensures that information is entered correctly every time. Scalability. As businesses grow, automation can help them handle larger volumes of leads, customers, and data without sacrificing quality. Implementing Salesforce Automation. Implementing Salesforce Automation is a strategic process that involves analyzing existing workflows, identifying areas for improvement, and designing automation rules that align with business goals. Conclusion. Salesforce Automation is a powerful tool that can help businesses simplify repetitive tasks, boost efficiency, and ultimately drive success. By embracing automation and leveraging the capabilities of the Salesforce platform, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and deliver exceptional value to their customers.